we live? I think we're live, guys. Hello, welcome. Just give me 1 second. Let me know, guys. Can you see my screen? Let's just double check. Are we live? I think we're live, guys. Guys, it's been a minute. Are we live? I think we're live, guys. Welcome, user. Welcome, my friend. Hello. Guys, let me know. Can you hear me? Hello, CS. Welcome, my friend. Thank you, CS, for liking. Hello, FFF. Welcome. Hope you're well. This is just a quick test. Hello, Rosie. Welcome. Hello, guys. Good evening. Okay, sorry it's a bit late. Hello, Minnie the Goat. Welcome, my friend. Hello, Fairy Light 191. Welcome. Hello, Rose. Shanti. Welcome. Guys, let me know. Can you hear me? Hello, Jenna. Welcome. Guys, it's been a hot minute. How are we all doing? Hello, welcome. Hello, Tyler. Welcome, my friend. Hello. Hello, Evie. Hello, Charlie. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's just close that down. Hello, Evie. Welcome. Hello, Lee. Welcome, Dylan. Welcome, Chris. Welcome, Kobe. Hello, Charlie. Hello, Lee again. Hello, Bert. Hello, Dylan. Welcome, my friend. Hello, Knowles. Welcome, guys. Welcome. How we doing? Guys, it's just a quick test here. Can you hear me? Hello, Mr. Bean. Hello. Hello, James. Welcome, my friend. Hello, Cameron Man 979. Welcome. Hello, Andrew White. For some reason, I can't get rid of this security smart screen on the bottom right of my screen. Hello, Tyler. Welcome. Whenever I close it, it just keeps reopening. Any of you guys tech out there, let me know. Hello, welcome, guys. Welcome, Toby. Welcome, like my comment. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hello, A Serbian Mapper. Welcome, my friend. Guys, it's been a hot minute. How are you all doing? Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Hello, welcome, like my comment. Welcome, my friend. Oh, let's hope it didn't die. Hello, Abbas. Welcome, my friend. Hello. How are we doing, guys? We alright? Hello, Sadio. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, Abbas, for liking. Thank you for the number 2 gift badge. Come on. Thank you, Abbas, for liking. Thank you, like my comment, for liking. Guys, how are we doing? Can you hear me? Just a quick test tonight. Yeah, I'm good, thank you, Abbas. How you doing, my friend? You alright? Let me just plug in my charger so the battery doesn't actually die. Okay, hopefully you can hear me. Like my comment says I'm older than you. How do you know my age, like my comment? Let me know. How do you know my age? How are we doing, guys? We alright? Wow, not bad, guys. Not bad. 5 viewers, like, at midnight. That's not bad. But yeah, this is just a quick test, guys. Yeah, I might do some questions. You're doing a year 11 exam. No, I'm doing a GCSE paper. Oh, okay. I see. No, I'm not a student. Sorry, I'm not a student, like my comment. I'm actually a private tutor and a maths teacher. Well, not a maths teacher right now because I'm not working in school right now, but I am a qualified maths teacher. But yeah. Guys, I've got a question here. Is this smart security on the bottom right here? disappears. So whenever I click off it, yeah, it keeps coming back on. Anybody help me? Any you tech guys out there? Thank you, boss, for liking. Thank you, like my comment for liking. Thank you, CS, for liking. Guys, 1.2k already. Just testing the live tonight. We've got 6 in the chat tonight. Nice, nice. I'm liking it, guys. Liking it. Yeah, just a quick test, guys. But thank you for all the likes here. Thank you for any subscriptions or any gifts. The dream target tonight, guys. If you feel like it, if anyone fancies sending 1,000 roses, guys, that will help out a lot. That'd be a big appreciated. Guys, anybody let me know, please. Can you help me with this issue? But how's everyone doing anyway, guys? Are we doing alright? This is going to be an issue going forward. Okay, we'll do just a few questions tonight. I thought, you know what, I'm live now. Okay, obviously, yeah, it's midnight now, so it is quite late in the night. Early hours on Monday morning, Monday the 7th of April. Okay, first live stream here in quite a while. Guys, if you're new around here, please drop us a follow, okay, and watch my videos in full. Help me get to 10k, so TikTok can start paying me. I've been saying this for over a year now, but yeah, if you can, guys, okay, try and help me get to 10k followers. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, Abbas, for the follow. Okay, so like my comments got an answer straight away. Well done. Okay, let's double check. Okay, let's just give it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Abbas, for liking. Thank you for the follow, by the way, Abbas. I hope you're doing well, my friend. Guys, can you hear me still? Yeah, I think you can. Right, so question number 1. Question number uno. The shaded shape is drawn on a grid of centimeters square. Okay. Find the area of the shape. Okay, so it's the bit inside the shape. So one way is just obviously count up the squares. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So the answer, guys, is 28. The units for area, be careful, centimeters squared. Okay, so area is always units squared. Okay, now what about part B, guys? Okay, so I'll give you just a minute to have a go with the question. Okay, we're starting with just some foundation tonight, yeah, just to keep it light tonight. But we will be delving into higher tier stuff, okay, in the coming days. Okay, so find the perimeter of this shape. Okay, could have counted the top and bottom row. Yep, that also works. Yep, 5 times 4 and then plus, yep, 1 for the bottom. Yep, that also works. Yeah. So either way, guys, yeah. So you could have made it into a rectangle. Okay, worked out the area of this, so this is 4 by 3, so that'll give you 12. Work out the area of the bigger rectangle and then just obviously take it away. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 by 5 makes 40. 40, take away 12, and I get 28. Are we back? I think we're back, guys. Give me 1 second. And let me know, can you hear me? So my battery actually just died on my laptop. Sorry about that. Hello, Sydney. Guys, are we back? Hello, TRX. Okay, let me know when you're back. I think you've gone now, but it's okay. Right. Part B. Find the perimeter of this shape. So the perimeter, guys, is the distance around the shape. Okay, so let's just delete this bit here. Okay. So it's going to be 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8. Okay. So let's work this out, guys. What do we get? So 5 plus 4 makes 9. Hello, hi, welcome, my friend. Hello, hello. 5 plus 4 makes 9. 9 plus 3 makes 12. 12 plus 8 makes 20. 22, 24. So the answer we should get is 26 centimeters. That is our perimeter. Okay. Hello, Ollie, welcome, my friend. Hello, hello. Hello, user 098, welcome, my friend. Hello, hello. Hello, MK. Hello, Asper Guardian. Hello, Emily Jill, welcome. Hello, Ellie, or Elias, sorry. Welcome, my friend. Hello, Mohammed. Okay, next question, guys. Write the numbers in ascending order. So ascending means from smallest to biggest. So the smallest number is going to be 0.3. Okay, so think of your place values. Okay, it'd be 0.009, the first one. Sorry, 0.099. It goes 0.3. It goes 0.339. 0.39, 0.93. Hello, sir. Welcome, my friend. Hello, Chris Tuition. Welcome, my friend. Hello, hello. Hope you're well, my friend. Hope you're well. Thank you for joining. Yes, so late in the night. Sorry, guys. Here, this was more of like a test live. I just thought I'd come on a bit and do some maths. Okay, late night maths. Hello, Chris Tuition, welcome, my friend. Guys, if you want any papers here, please check out Chris Tuition. The guy has fantastic papers, okay, for this year's exam, okay, the predictions. So please check him out, guys. Give him a follow, okay. Yeah, check out the content on his page, okay. The guy makes fantastic content, and check out the other creators, Joe Weller, and also Count on Wells, and all the other ones that Chris obviously works with, okay. But Chris makes fantastic papers, guys, for science, maths, and English. So check him out, guys, okay. And if you can actually buy it, okay, it's quite a cheap price, okay, much cheaper than obviously others out there that I don't want to obviously comment on. But check them out, guys, or check him out, sorry, and then give him a follow, okay? But hope you're well, sir. Question number 3. The table shows population of 6 continents. Okay, this is so annoying, this little thing. Why won't it go away? Okay, sorry. Right. So, the population of Oceania, I think that's right, is 43,111,704. No worries, sir, no worries. Hello, Mario. Good night, my friend, good night. Hello, Salted. Hello, Chloe, welcome. Guys, thank you for joining me so late in the night. Okay, sorry it's a bit late. Hello, Chloe, welcome. Hello, Salted Peanut, welcome, my friend. What a name that is. So, 43 million. 43, okay, 111,000. So 111,704. That, guys, is going to be our final answer. Hello, Joshua. Hello, Khadija. Khadija, I should say, sorry. Okay. Which continent has the greatest population? So the biggest number, that's going to be Africa. So Africa's got, sorry, it's going to be Asia. Sorry, it's going to be Asia because that is the biggest number. So it's going to be Asia. Hello, Dennis. Welcome, my friend. So hello. Hello, Ariane. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Okay, next question. Round the population of South Africa to one significant figure. Okay, so South Africa, South America, sorry. America, sorry, yeah. So that's going to be 400 million. Is that right? So it's going to be 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's going to be 400 million. Okay. Hello, Mystic Realm. Welcome. Hello, hello. Hello, Leah. Welcome, my friend. Guys, sorry this is a bit late. Yeah, I'm not going to be on here much longer. I'm going to be on maybe like another 30 minutes, and then I'm going to call it a night. Yeah, because it is quite late now. It's past midnight now, so it is quite late. Yeah, 400 million. So 400, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, question number 4, guys. Work out 1.63 times by 100. So the decimal point moves 2 places to the right. Okay, so that's going to be 163. Or B, work out 15% of 70. So 10% of any quantity means divide it by 10. So 70 divided by 10 will be 7. 5% will be half of 10%. So a half of 7 equals 3.5. 7 plus 3.5 makes 10.5. And that is my final answer. Hello, hello, nice B. Hello, Connor, welcome, my friend. Okay, next question. Write 20% as a fraction in its simplest form. So 20% is 20 out of 100, so 20 hundredths. Okay, divide top and bottom by 10, so knock off a 0, get 2 tenths over 10. Okay, divide top and bottom by 2, I get 1 over 5, or 1/5. So 20% as a simplified fraction is 1/5. Hello, Ethan. Welcome, my friend. Hello, hello. T equals C plus 5a. E equals minus 4. And C equals 9. Look at the value of T. So T is equal to 9 plus 5 lots of minus 4. So 5 times minus 4. Here we're going to obviously apply big mass. So order of operations. Okay, so we're going to do 5 times minus 4 first, which will be minus 20. Okay, so minus 20. We got 9 plus minus 20, guys. So when I add a negative, okay, becomes a subtraction. Hello, Ollie. Welcome, my friend. I suppose it is, yeah. I suppose, yeah, it is a bit about memory game, yeah, but it is some obviously understanding as well, Ollie, yeah. So it's 9 take away 20, 9 subtract 20, we get minus 11. So t is equal to negative 11. Thank you, Ollie, for liking. Thank you, CS, for liking. Well, guys, 3k likes for this year. That's not bad. Okay. We'll try to finish this paper, yeah, and then we'll call it a night. Okay. Question number 6. Teach them about star and delta formation. I wish, Aiden, I wish. That is a lot more harder than you say. Hello, Rashi, welcome. Question number 6, guys. Here is a sequence of patterns made from circles. Pattern 1 has 1 circle, pattern 2 has 3 circles, and pattern 3 has 5 circles. Okay, so this is a sequence of numbers. Draw pattern number 4, so that's going to have 7 circles. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Hello, Charlie. Welcome. Hello, welcome. Thank you, Taha, for liking. Thank you, CS, for liking. And thank you guys here. Thank you guys for liking. Wow, 3.1k likes. That is not bad. Hey man, yeah, it's obviously midnight. Sorry guys, if my voice is a bit deep, sorry, I apologise. But this is my natural voice. Okay, a lot of people say I've got like a deep voice. Yeah. Yeah, anyway, so I'm getting a bit off topic. How many circles will pattern 8 have? So, this is going to be a linear sequence in the form 2n minus 1. So, pattern 8 is when n is equal to 8. So, we have 2 times 8. Subtract 1. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 minus 1, I get 15. So, there are 15 circles for that. Okay, thank you, Ada, for liking. Hello, Ryan. Welcome, my friend. Hello, Ryan. Hope you're well, my friend. Hope you're well. Okay, question number 7, guys. Okay, Mo spends a total of £1.84 on 8 stickers. Each sticker costs the same amount. Work out the cost of 5 of these stickers. Well, to work out the price of one sticker, I'm going to do £1.84 divided by 8. Let's use our bus stop method. Yeah, no worries, Ryan. No worries, Ryan. Take care, my friend. Hello, Augie. Jack, welcome, my friend. Hello, user, welcome, my friend. So, 8 into 1 don't go. 8 into 18 go twice. Okay, with a remainder of 2. Is that right? Yeah. 8 twos make 16, yeah. And then that, okay, 8 to 24 go 3 times. So each one costs 23 pence. The cost of 5 is going to be 23 multiplied by 5. Okay, 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, well done, Ryan. Yep, spot on, Ryan. 5 carry the 1. 5 times 2 is 10, plus the 1 makes 11. So it's 115 pence, or better yet, £1.15. Okay. I mean, that's not actually bad, guys, is it? Well done, Ryan. Yep, well done, Ryan. Spot on. Okay, question number 8, guys. Okay, I'll give you a few minutes here to have a go at the question. Okay, then if you finish it, obviously try part B. Okay, Ryan's got an answer. Okay, Ryan's actually very, very quick today. Well done, Ryan. Okay, good job, Ryan. Hello, Harris. _ Harry. Welcome, my friend. Hello, UTO. Hello. I know, Jack. I know, yeah. I'm doing like a late night live, Jack. But welcome in, Jack. Yeah, I remember you from last year. But yeah, sorry, guys. Yeah, it's actually a bit late, yeah, but I'm just obviously testing out the first live in a while. Okay. I kind of don't want like a lot of actually people actually on tonight, because then you need time to obviously get used to the setup, everything. Yeah, guys. 8 questions. Oh, well done, Jack. That is amazing. So Jack just said he got a grade 8 in his maths. That is fantastic. Ryan's doing A-level maths. Wow, well done, Ryan. Okay, well done, Ryan. How's that going, Ryan? Yeah, let me know, okay? Anyone doing A-level maths, guys, I am hoping to start some live streams today on YouTube, okay, around 7 o'clock tonight. Okay, hopefully, yeah, God willing, yeah, everything goes well. If not, I'll probably do it on TikTok. But yeah, I'm going to be going through, yeah, some AS exam, yeah, style questions, okay? I'm going to be live, yeah, I think, yeah, for A-level, yeah, on YouTube, on Monday, Wednesday and Thursday, because I'm not actually available yet Tuesday or Friday this week. But yeah, it is hard, Ryan. Yeah, it is hard. Guys, yeah, honestly, well done, yeah, for giving it a go, actually. Yeah, well done, yeah, for obviously doing A-level maths, because it is actually tricky, guys. Yeah, it is tricky. It is hard, guys. It is hard. My best advice here, I think, at this stage, is check out. So there's a really good channel here on YouTube called TL Maths. Here, he's covered the whole curriculum for all of A-level maths. So check him out. And also check out Mr. Bison as well. And also there's another one actually called R2 Drew. I think it is. Is that right? Yeah, R2 Drew. Hello, Abs to Techie. Welcome, my friend. Yeah. But yeah, physics is hard actually. Physics is actually solid. Physics, yeah. Check out a guy called Physics Online. Okay. Um, there's another one here. There's another one that I saw yesterday. What was it actually? Sorry, it's actually gone out of my mind now. You can tell that I spend too much time on YouTube and I'm quite a bit of a geek. I saw a really, really good channel here for A-level physics here yesterday. I can't remember what it's called. Um, hopefully it's going to come to me. It might be that actually right. Well, there's another one actually. There's another one that I saw. Um, I think there's one actually called TL Physics as well as TL Maths. Yeah, there is actually stats is the only thing that drives me nutty miles. Yeah, stats is hard actually. Stats is annoying. Right, back to the question, guys. So yeah, I'll come back to answer some more questions in a second. 8a, solve 3x minus 20 equals minus 2. So I'm going to add 20 to both sides to balance each side respectively. Okay, so we have 3x equals minus 2 plus 20 makes 18. I don't want 3x, I just want x. So I'm going to divide by 3. Divide by 3. Ryan is exactly spot on, so Ryan gets 6. Ryan is correct, and anyone else that got 6, you are exactly correct. Okay, so well done, guys. Okay, so again, that's the classic question on the foundation tier. And part B, also be on a higher tier for this year. Solve the inequality, 5 brackets 2y plus 1, given 34. Step 1, I'm going to obviously expand the brackets. So we're going to get 10y plus 5 strictly greater than 34. I'm going to take 5 from both sides. Okay, so subtract 5 on both sides. Get 10y strictly greater than 29. Divide by 10 on both sides. We get y strictly greater than 29 tenths or 2.9. Okay. So y is strictly greater than 2.9. Oh, even more. Okay, this one's going to be a bit trickier to do on the screen. Okay, this one I can do this. So this one says describe fully the transformation maps shape A to shape B. So that's going to be a reflection in the line x equals 1. Okay. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So reflection in the line x equals 1. Yeah, this one I can't do actually because it requires a tractor and a compass, okay, which I can't do at the minute. Okay, right, let's come on to this one here. Sorry if I'm actually missing a few guys here, but hopefully you can obviously forgive me if I do not on the screen. Guys, this is so annoying, this security thing. I don't want to click here in case it takes me off the screen. Okay, question number 11, guys. Okay, diagram shows a line intersecting a pair of parallel lines. Plot A, look at the size, God, this is so annoying, of angle marked P. So P is actually equal to 50 degrees, okay, because they're alternate angles. So so it's like a Z shape, okay, think of it like a Z shape, like that. So it's what we call, alternate angles. Calculate the size of angle marked Q. Well, if this is 50, Q is going to be 180 minus 50, because angles on a straight line make 180. So Q is equal to 130 degrees. And that, guys, is going to be our final answer, okay? And the reason why the angles on a straight line make 180, okay? Right, let us try this slightly more trickier question. Find the volume of the prism giving your units in your answer. So it's going to be the area of the cross section, so area of the triangle times by the length. So it's going to be base times height. Okay. Divide that by 2. And then we're going to multiply that by 8. We do this, guys, what do we get? Well, 6 fours are 24, divided by 2 makes 12. 12 eighths are going to be 96. And the units for volume, guys, is going to be 96 centimeters cubed. And that, guys, is my final answer. This next one, okay, so nearly actually finished writing, nearly finished the paper. Okay, hello Emma, welcome. Hello Zach, welcome my friend. Question 13. Show that the point 7/5 and 1.75 lie on the line I equals 5x over 4, or 5 quarters x, 5x quarters. So we're going to have, so this I can rewrite it as 1 whole 3 quarters. So as an improper fraction, it's going to be equal to 7 quarters. So 7 quarters is equal to 5 quarters multiplied by 7/5. Okay, that makes sense, okay, because I can actually cross cancel here. So divide it by 5, okay, cross cancellation of 5/5. So 5 divided by 5. You have 1 and 1. Okay, 1 times 7 is 7. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, so that, guys, is going to be our final answer. Okay, again, if you actually simplify it, you would have actually got 35ths or 35/20ths. You would have actually simplified 7 quarters. Okay, next one. Okay, looking at some function machines now. Here is a function machine. Input times it by 3, add 5, and we get an output. Plot A. Okay, thank you, Easy Mathematics here for liking. Thank you, Zach, for liking. Hello, Nicholas. Welcome, my friend. Find the output when the input is 2/3. So we're going to have 2/3 times by 3. Well, they're obviously just going to cancel. So I'm going to get 2. I'm going to get 6/3, which equals 2 plus 5. I get 7. Okay, so 2/3 times it by 3. If you're ever unsure about this, write 3 as 3 over 1. 2 times 3 is 6, and then 3 times 1 is 3. So I have 6/3, which simplifies to the number 2. And 2 plus 5 makes 7. Guys, sorry about this. Yeah, sorry about this little smart security. It's quite annoying. Hello, Hannah. Welcome, Hannah. Hello. Part B. Find an expression of the input when the output is 4x. So working backwards, we're going to have 4x. Thank you, Hannah, for liking. Hello, Theo. Welcome, Theo. Hello, Elmo. Thank you. Thank you, Easy Mathematics, for liking. So we're going to get 4x minus 5, okay, going backwards, and this is all divided by 3. So you have 4x minus 5 thirds, which is the input, okay. Again, if you're unsure, check by working forwards, okay. So this times 3, well, those 3's are going to end up cancelling, and the opposite of minus 5 here is 5, so that will get rid of these operations here. So I'm going to left with just 4x, so that is correct, okay. Right, next question. How many more questions here have we got? Okay, we've got a few more to go. Okay, here is part of a distance time graph, okay, showing Mrs. Fisher's journey from her house to the post office and back. Post office. Okay, this is from home in miles. Okay, work out Mrs. Fisher's speed in miles per hour. Okay, the first 30 minutes of the journey. So that's going to be what? Distance over time. Okay, so that's going to be what? So speed is distance over time. So that's going to be 20 over half. Okay, because obviously 30 minutes is half an hour. So 20 divided by half. Well, divided by half is the same as multiplying by 2. Okay, so the answer we get is 40. So it's 40 mph. Okay, so miles per hour. Hello, Kay, welcome. Guys, if you're new here, please, yeah, give us a follow, guys, if you can. Okay. Give us a follow, yeah, if you can, guys, yeah, press that follow button. It's completely free and helps me out. Thank you, Hannah, for liking. Yeah, guys, if you're new here, give us a follow, please. Right. Mrs. Fisher spends 15 minutes in the post office. She then drives home at a constant speed of 30 miles per hour in the distance time graph. So she spends 15 minutes in the post office. That makes sense. Okay. She drives home, yeah. Okay. So 30 miles an hour means what? So in 1 hour, she covers 30 miles. Okay. Okay. Is that right? What's that going to be? That's going to be 30. No, that will end up giving me a half again. Wait, that's 30 there. So 20 divided by half gets me 40. So we need to obviously end it sooner. So end it at 65. No, sorry. 30 miles per hour. So 20 divided by what gives me 30. Let's rearrange this. So I'm going to have 20 over 30 equal to that. So that's going to equal to 2/3. Okay. 15, 20 divided by, no. Yes, it should be 65, I think. Is that right? It's going to be 20. So 20 divided by 2/3, so times it by 3/2. Hello, London, welcome my friend. Hello, hello. So that's 30 minutes here. It was 40 miles. So it's 30 miles, and it's meant to obviously take us longer, isn't it? It's meant to take us longer. So it's meant to finish at 85, right? 2/3 of 60, what's that? It's going to be 40. So it should be 85, yes. Okay, that makes sense now. There we go. Okay, we got there in the end. There we go. It's from 45 to 85. We are adding how much? We're adding 40. Okay, 40 minutes, which is 2/3 of an hour. There we go. Okay, 20 divided by 2/3, and I get 30. Okay, 20 times 3/2. I get 30. There we go. Okay, explain why. Yes, a question is in there. So explain why the graph does not show direct proportion relationship. Okay, because the intersection is not at the origin, it's above that. Okay, so this is in the form y equals ex plus b, or y equals mx plus c, where b is strictly greater than 0. For a direct proportion, it must pass through the origin. Okay, so it has to be in the form y equals kx, y equals ax, or y equals mx. Okay, where there's no plus c value. Okay, so yeah, direct proportion here, it has to be in the form y equals kx, where k is a constant, y equals x, where a is a constant, or y equals bx, y equals mx, y equals px, y equals qx, whatever it is. Okay, as long as, yeah, there's no plus b at the end, or no plus c, or whatever it is. Okay, so we cannot have this plus b at the end. Okay, so cannot. It is a proportion graph, okay, but it's in the format y equals ax plus b, rather than just y equals ax. Okay, right, question number 17. Okay, hello VJ. Thank you, CS, for liking. One cleaner takes 6 hours to clean a house. How long does it take three cleaners to clean the same house? Well, it is actually going to take a third of that. So we're going to have 6 divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So it takes 3 cleaners 2 hours to clean the same house. And the logic here is the more cleaners you have to clean any one room, okay, yeah, based on obviously an assumption that they obviously work at the same rate, the less time it takes, okay? So so the more cleaners I have, the less time it takes. Okay, an assumption that all cleaners work at the same rate. Okay? So the assumption here, guys, is more cleaners I have, the less time it will take to obviously clean any one room. Okay. Thank you, Abbas, for liking. Thank you, CS, for liking. And that, guys, is the end of our paper. So we now actually finished the whole paper. Now I know I missed out a few questions because of there was like no space. Okay. But this one obviously requires a ruler. Hello, Impact Math teacher. Welcome, Miss. Hello. How you doing, Miss? It's my first live. Hello. Hope you're well, Miss. Hello. Thank you so much. Thank you for the heart, me. Thank you so much. Thank you for the heart, me. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. I know it's 1 a.m. guys. Yeah, but I'm trying to just test out my live tonight. Okay, now that I'm on Easter break. I know Upton. I know. How? Hello. Impact Math. Welcome, Miss. Hope you're doing well. Thank you. Thank you for the badge, Miss. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for the finger heart. Thank you, Miss. That's so kind of Miss. Yeah, thank you so much for the finger heart. Thank you, Upton, for the follow shit. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you give us a follow, please. My target is to try and reach 10k followers, guys, okay? So TikTok can finally pay me, okay? Every penny counts. Thank you so much, yeah. Thank you for the roses, Impact Math. Thank you so much, Miss. That is so kind of you, okay? Really kind of you, Miss. Okay, so I think we've skipped here question 9a. Obviously, I can't do it here without like a ruler on the screen. Okay, but as like a rough sketch, you would obviously draw the points, extend them all. Okay, because it wants a scale factor of 2, guys, all the side lengths end up doubling. Okay, so that should end up going to 8. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, obviously, I haven't actually drawn actually perfectly. Yeah, so that's obviously a side length of 4. Okay, but they all end up doubling. Okay, so yeah, okay, when you enlarge a shape, all the lengths multiplied by a scale factor of 2, so that goes to a length of 8. Obviously here, I haven't actually got like a ruler here, hence why my drawing is not actually done perfectly. Okay, but hopefully it would obviously forgive me in that stage. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then obviously draw someone there. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 7. So it might be this one here. So it might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and then obviously that obviously goes down by 2 and then across. So it goes down by 4 across 2. So it's going to look like that. Okay. And this is not actually perfect. Okay. So yeah, let's call this Q. Okay, that's going to be a rough sketch. Okay. But don't worry, guys. Yeah, obviously, that was obviously done actually pretty quickly. Yeah, but obviously, I can't do it on the actual screen because I haven't actually got it on there. Yeah, guys. I hope that actually makes sense. I think, yeah, I'm going to obviously call it like a night. Okay, so this one, yeah, I couldn't do it here because I haven't got like a ruler here. Okay, you obviously screenshot this and obviously give it a go, yeah, in your own time. Okay, and I'll try and do a video about this either tomorrow or the day after or later today. Okay, but basically, you'd obviously draw. Okay, so you'd obviously measure this angle here, this angle here. Okay, using your protractor and or compass. Okay, so yeah, obviously as a rough sketch, it would obviously look like that. Okay, that would obviously be 7.5. Okay, that would obviously be 6 centimeters. Guys, yeah, okay. So again, sorry if actually going to, yeah, obviously a bit really good, but I haven't got any of the tech equipment here. Okay, yeah, guys, that's our paper actually finished for the night. Okay, are there any questions, guys? Yeah, are there any questions? So this one here actually, obviously, I did actually pretty quickly. So here, okay, worked out that obviously 2/3 of an hour, okay, equal to 40 minutes, okay, and I got that doing 20 divided by what gives me 30, okay, and then I rearrange this equation. I got 2/3 for the question mark, okay, 45 plus 40 is 85, okay, hence how I got 30 miles per hour, okay. I must yeah, with shapes, yeah, no worries about no worries, yeah, I'm gonna put out some more videos on shapes, okay. But guys, did that make sense? Are there any questions? Okay, thanks so much, thank you for 5k likes. Are there any questions? No questions, then I'm gonna obviously call it a night. Right, guys, good night. Yeah, thank you for coming tonight. Yeah, sorry for obviously coming actually a bit late. But yeah, I'll try and obviously come on, yeah, obviously a bit earlier in the daytime. But yeah, thank you guys. And I shall see you all very soon, okay? Good night, all, okay? Take care. And have a great week. For now.